Hello students, how are you doing? I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to study your 11th class poem 4, that is childhood. This is written by Max Netton. The poet seems puzzled about the loss of childhood. It is natural in the process of growing up. Still, the poet tries to find an answer to his two queries: when did my childhood go and where did my childhood go? In this poem, the poet thinks over his lost childhood. He wonders about the moment when he lost the innocence and realized that the world is not what he seems it to be. He recalls when his thoughts changed. He realized the hypocrisy of the people around him. He finally settled down to the idea that his childhood went to some forgotten place and is hidden in the place of an innocent infant, means innocent baby. Let us poem stanza by stanza. First stanza goes like this: when did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be? Was that the day? Ceased means come to an end. In the above lines, the poet wonders about when his childhood came to an end. He asked himself, was it the day he was no longer 11 years old? Was it the day when he realized that hell and heaven existed and yet could not be found in geography or on the map? He realized they are imaginary places that actually do not exist in this world. Let us see the poetic devices. Rhyme scheme is A, B, B, C, C, D. You can see go A, 11 B, heaven B, as they are rhyming together. Geography C, B, B and geography are rhyming, so they are C, C, and day. It is D, not rhyming with anyone. Alliteration used over here: the occurrence of the same letter of sound at the beginning of closely connected words, just like in the time T sound is repeated, that D. So TH sound is being repeated here at the beginning of two words. Let us see the next of the poem, that goes like this: when did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? They talked of love and preached of love, but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day? Preached means talked or spoken. In the above stanza, the poet again repeats the same question about when did his childhood go. He wonders about the day when he started seeing the world with a new perception that adults are hypocrites and are not how they seemed to be. The adults who talked of love and preached of love and yet never behaved so lovingly. They are double faced in reality. Was that the day when his childhood go? Means the second possibility relates to the time when he realized the hypocrisy of adults. They were not all that they seemed to be. They talked of love and gave advice of love but did not act so affectionately. Let us see the poetic device. Alliteration used over here, that the rhyme scheme is the same. See the next stanza of the poem, that goes like this: when did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine, to use whichever way I choose? producing thoughts that were not those of other people, but my own and mine alone. Was that the day? Here, in this third stanza, the poet deliberates on the same question about when he lost his childhood. He asked himself about possibilities. He wonders about the day he realized that his mind was his own and could use it the way he wants. When he realized that he could produce his own thoughts, which were not bound by anyone. When he sensed his own individuality and a separate personality, was that the day he lost his childhood. In the third possibility relates to the time when he found that he was the master of his own mind. He could use it whichever way he chose. He could now produce his own thoughts and need not repeat those of others. A sense of individuality dawned on him. He wonders whether he lost his childhood on one of those days. Alliteration used over here, in my mind, whichever way. Inversion is also used over. Inversion is a poetic device in which a sentence structure is reversed. Just like here, to use whichever way I choose. I choose the way whichever. So in this, sentence structure is reversed. Let us see the next stanza of the poem. Where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place that is hidden in an infant's face. That is all I know. In the last stanza, the poet repents about his lost childhood. He concludes that his childhood had gone to some forgotten place which will never come back. He cherished his innocence, which vanished now and could be only seen in a baby's face. He only has sweet memories of his childhood, which would soon fade away. He also conveyed a message that the innocence of childhood stays till the time one is an infant, and that is all he knows. Means the poet dwells on the problem where the childhood has disappeared. On the basis of his limited knowledge, he thinks that his childhood went to some forgotten place that was hidden in an infant's face. The poet implies that adolescence follows childhood in the same way as childhood has replaced infancy. It is a stage in the process of growing up. Let us see the literary device. Anaphora is used over here as 3 and 4 lines started with the same word, that is that. That is all, students. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching the video.